guys, welcome back to your own channel guys. So we gonna see the some of the major forex pair USD versus CAD and some others. So you can go and check out our previous analysis also previous week. There we have got almost every major forex pair. We have got jackpot 2 to 3 trades and they all are jackpots. Okay guys, right now we can see the USD versus CAD guys. Here you can see here guys, exactly this is the zone of supporting area. Why is that? You can see here, just I will shift it down. Okay, you can see here continuously sellers are coming. You can see that sellers right now, buyers are dominated. Right now sellers will came up till here and buyers will dominate after this. Okay guys, what we have to see is that if it will come and take support, you can go for long. You can keep your SL at this green candle low. Okay guys, after that you can expect your first target will be here guys, second, third and fourth. Okay guys, big momentum also come here guys, so you can join our telegram channel also. I will give link in the description guys. Go and join there. I will tell you some of the important things also, and some of the major forex pairs, some where I am seeing that it will make a big move, so I will update you there. Okay guys, if it will came and takes here resistance, our first target will be here guys, second target will be here, our third target and fourth target. These are the four target in downside and these are the upside momentum. Okay guys, this is USD versus CHF. You can see here exactly how nicely it has been fallen. You hope you have captured this thing. Okay guys, if right now what I am seeing is that it is exactly making a pole and flag pattern also. If this is broken its high guys, just a second, this is broken its high, then you can go up till here your first target guys. Final target will be here only. You have to book up till here only. If you are some of the little risk taker will be you are, then you can go for up till here, two targets up till here. After this is broken, then you can go for upside momentum over once again first, second and third targets. Okay guys, if once again if it will came up till here and coming downside, you can expect your first target, our second target, our third target. Okay guys, right now it's made on a W pattern. You can see here exactly taking supporting area only. If this is broken, you can go for upside momentum. Okay guys, if this low is broken, what we have to do? Okay guys, if it will came downside and this is the low. Okay guys, just a second, I will remake it so we can see. Okay, right now if this is the broken this level, you can expect your first target only, and this is the one of the supporting zone area guys. You can see here this is the supporting zone area guys. So if this will be broken, then only you can expect your first target, second target, this will be the third and final target. Okay guys, these are the target for euro versus CHF. We can see next major forex is AUD versus US dollar. You can see here continuously consolidation happened. Right now it's broken, but this is the fake breakout coming downside, once again taken support at this position only. You can see here guys. Okay guys, this is the one of the major supporting area, like it gonna act here. Okay guys, if once again came here somewhere like this, okay guys, take support, then you can go for first, second, third target. Broken, then you can go for fifth, sixth, seventh, even eighth target. Okay guys, these are the target. If once again I will tell you, if this is the broken, then you can expect your first target will be here, second target will be here, third target. Okay guys, this is the one of the major supporting areas. Hope here also turn around the market. So if this is turn around, you can expect your first, second, third upside momentum targets. Okay guys, so this is the all the three major forex pair guys. You can check out all the analysis I am uploading soon, so go and check out those major forex pairs also guys. There are so much learning in all the analysis and previous weeks analysis videos also. Go and check out those two guys. If you like this video, please share with your friends and families. Thank you guys.